Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to view your referral code in GCash step by step. First, open the GCash app on your smartphone and log in using your MPIN. Once logged in, tap the profile button at the lower right of the screen. Next, select Refer Friends from the menu. This will take you to the screen where you can see how many friends you have referred and how much you have earned. Here, you can find your GCash referral code and link. You can also share it using Messenger, SMS, QR code, or other apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. For example, if you tap the SMS button, it will open your text app with a message containing your referral link. Send this to your friends, and when they register, verify their account, and perform their first cash-in, you will earn a commission. Your referral code is a 7-digit code at the end of your referral link. Your referral code is 1SBYCOBI. And that's it. Now you know how to view and share your GCash referral code. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with what you want to learn next.